I today sell Netflix stocks in eToro Forex trading application. In this video I will show you my Netflix stocks profit. I have bought stocks from several companies but will sell Netflix stocks today. As you can see, then Netflix stocks profit is $8.30. I bought a 0.31 part of Netflix stocks. I'm investing $160. It is possible to view a detailed graph in different time slots. As you can see from the graph, the value of Netflix stocks has been rising in recent years. Here you can see at what value I bought Netflix stocks. Here you can close the deal and take your Netflix stocks profit. In the history section you can see the whole history of transactions with stocks.